हेलो दोस्तों, कैसे हो आप लोग? आई होप यू guys आर फाइन एंड आई एम ऑल्सो फाइन. So today I am going to unbox the CA Inter Group 1 GST by CA Vishal Bhattad sir. So without any delay, let's unbox it. So you can see this is GST questionnaire. It contains lots of questions, past test questions, MTPs, RTPs, including answers. So you can see this is GST main module, I think module number 3. So you can see it's main module number 2. Main module number 2. So it's main module number 1. It's pretty thinner. So you can see it's GST wall chart. This wall chart is so helpful, especially during revision hours and from exam point of view. You can revise regularly through it. As you can see, it is the summary of all the main modules. So it's wall chart number 2. There are altogether 2 wall charts. You can fix both the wall chart on your wall and you can revise through it regularly, which will help you to utilize your free time to the extent, and you can revise easily through it. So you can see there are altogether 3 main module. One is GST questionnaire and a dual chart. These all are very helpful. So thank you for watching the video. Please do like, subscribe and comment for more updates.